So in this video we will see associative array methods. In previous video we have seen associative array. So as you know, right, associative array have random index. It is not continuous manner. So random index means we should know, then how we will get to know. So for those things we have methods. The very first method is exist. Second method we have first, then last, then next, previous, num, size and delete. So these are the method of associative array. So let's understand each of them one by one. So very first method is exist. Now name only telling exist means what? Check whether the particular key exists in an associative array or not. So the key, particular key, whatever the key we want to check, this key exists or not. To check this we will use exist method. So the syntax will look like this: array, which is array name actually, dot exist and index or key, whatever the key we want to check, that we have to pass here as an argument of exist. So in this one you can see here we have how many key? 10, we have 20, 50. So in the if else statement, in the if, what we are checking here, data is a associative array name dot then exist. So associative array exist and key is 20. So if 20 is present, then print this. If 20 is not present, then print this. Okay, then in the next time again we are checking with the key 30. So 30 is not present here. So 30 is not present means this is a false statement. So it will print this one. So it's not true, so it will print else part. So the result will come something like this: key 20 is exist and key 30 doesn't exist. Okay, so exist, what it is doing, checking whether the particular key is present in the associative array or not. That is what the exist associative array method is telling. Now we have another, that is num. So obviously num means it will return how many elements is there, how many entries is there inside the associative array. So returns the number of entry currently stored in the associative array. So in this case how many entries there, tell me? 1, 2, 3. So total how many? 3. So it will return 3 only. Okay, now another method is there, size. That will also return the same thing. Size also returns the number of entries. So in the associative array, size and num, you can use any methods to get the number of elements, a number of entries there is there in a associative array. Okay, then we have delete. Obviously what it will do, it will delete. Now delete an element or entry associative array. So in this one, either you can delete complete entries. So total, suppose 3 entries there, you can delete all 3, or else you can delete a particular key entries. Suppose in this case what I am doing, delete one element. So we are deleting only single element. At what key? 20. So this element should be deleted. Then after it will look like this, because element which is associated with a 20, the key which is associated with 200 value we deleted. So we left with this 2 element only. Then we delete everything. Now data associative array is empty. Okay guys, so this is for this video. We will see in next video. Bye.